What's up YouTubers, and welcome back to Bradford Through the Lens, a channel that tries to capture Bradford history, or part of Bradford history that's been forgotten, and we try to make it as quirky as possible, out of the box. And today, guess where we are? Well, we're in Bradford, and this building, or what remains of this building going back to 1860, is part of the Ripley Mill. Unbelievable. Now, if you like local history, especially Bradford, do subscribe to our channel, like, share and follow us. I'll just take you up here. That's a very interesting little alley. Wonder what's up there. I'll just go inside behind this fence where 𝗔𝗲𝗿𝗄𝘆 is. There you go. 𝗔𝗲𝗿𝗆, this is absolutely fascinating. A piece of Bradford history, sad state, in middle of nowhere. I thank you for finding this.
Yeah, completely forgotten, hasn't it? It's been completely forgotten. Part of Ripley's Dyeworks.
Dyeworks, yeah.
That's what remains of it. And obviously it was a huge complex spread all over this area. Yeah. And
it is quite dangerous because from here, I don't know if you can see in the camera, there's a wall there, so I don't know if that's a perimeter or whether it's built afterwards. Yeah,
no, I think beyond this section of the wall,
yeah,
it becomes metal fencing.
Right.
So obviously this seems to be the outer perimeter of Ripley's Dyeworks.
Yeah. So on site we found something very interesting, which sort of ties up at that era. What we've got here is called Mulson. Now Mulson, if you go back to some of our previous films, well, the film is called The Deadly Chimney Fall, and the chimney that actually fell was built by Mulson at the time. So it all kinds of adds up. Yeah,
it does, yeah, because these bricks are stamped with Mulsons on it.
Yeah.
Well, probably part of the brick making process. That was part of the dye. Yeah. So, and all these are Mulson bricks, all of them. I haven't found any which are not. So it's it's very clear that they had a big sort of business relationship with the Ripleys to build. Yeah. Their buildings.
So what I'll do is I'll put a link in the description if you can watch the Deadly Chimney Fall. That'll give you a bit of a background to what happened at that time anyway, and how these people were involved in the building of that time.
Yeah. And you can see, yeah. I mean, obviously, it must have been a huge mill, really.
Yeah.
A lot of it is, it's fallen. You can see these are obviously the lintels for the windows, which are here.
Right.
Yeah. These are lintels, window lintels.
Yeah.
So there's some more.
Look at that brickwork there. You can see the curves on those bricks. If you just want to point that out, sorry. Yeah. You want to take the camera? Yeah, take the camera and give a fair idea what it looks like.
Yeah, so you can see here, this is obviously those who have seen mills. You recognise this type of wall. Probably the pillar or something like that, but in the renovated mills that you see nowadays, these sort of pillars still remain. Very beautiful, and you can see here there's one that's become detached, and again it says Mulsons on it, if I can get it the right way up. It's probably imprinted from another stone. You can just see on here it's backwards, it's written backwards. More of it here, more lintels, and they're very big as well. And then as I go around here, you can see sort of inside what remains of the remains inside the old mill. And you can see it's a ruin, nothing more. Very interesting though, there's some old wooden doors here, a part of a wooden door, which probably will have, there's a girder outside, probably part of the lifting apparatus to lift whatever they were building in, bringing in here, sorry. I'll just have a look around there as well, so your viewers can see. I can't really get much further than this, I don't think. Oh, then again I can, yeah. So we'll just have a look in the inside of what remains. Obviously it's been breeze blocked off. So this will have been the inside of the Ripley Dyeworks, which is a piece of Bradford history. Not really a lot you can see. That gives you an idea. I wonder when the last time this was in use. It would have been many years ago. Just take you around here and show you around here as well. I'm sorry if the camera's a bit jumpy. As you can see, the terrain is not the most comforting one, but again you can see various stone shapes. One down there which is quite prominent, and then around here again this will have been the outside of the mill, and this probably in its day will have been some sort of a passageway or a walkway or some access to the mill. And again you can see those round edged walls there and here. Very nice feature. See if I can get a bit closer for you guys. And let's go back to the outer wall. So you have an idea of what it looked like. That's really all that remains of it. It's a big shame, big piece of Bradford history. I think possibly, obviously, yeah, you can see here a pillar, or sorry, not a pillar. There's a placement to put gates on. So once upon a time, this must have been an access. Rest of it looks blocked off anyway. Although I am coming to a place which we'll be looking at later on. Now this is an important piece of Bradford history that I've stumbled across that me and Riaz were looking at earlier, and it's the archway which you can see in an old photograph of Ripleyville. And I think there's somebody tented up around here, so I will be careful and considerate. But over here you can see there's a railway, old railway banking. So the railway used to run across here. Let's see if I can get a bit closer without disturbing the occupants of that tent. Right, I've checked now, there's nobody in that tent. So look, you can see, look at this. I mean, look at this substantial bridge or whatever you want to call it for a railway. It's just, it's beautiful. I never even knew it existed. and you can see, look at this. So at some point this will have been a walkway towards the 𝗴𝗶𝗽𝗆𝗆 housing estate, which was apparently similar to the housing estate built by Titus Salt at 𝗀𝗁𝗃. This to me has been completely forgotten about. I don't think many people know it's here. So I shall start heading back. Again, you can see the railway bridge up there. Maybe at some point I will try to get up there, but it won't be, obviously not in this video. And we can sort of show you that in the future maybe. I'm at this stone I was talking about earlier. I'm just going to flip it over, see if there's any inscriptions or anything on it, because it seems a little bit unusual to have a stone like this. No, nothing on it. I don't know what it was.
Bit of a close-up. There's a bit of a original external pipework there. Right.
Yeah. These are probably the same. Probably all Wilson bricks in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, and obviously this is the outer wall. I wonder if these here will channel.
Let's have a little walk up.
The water.
Look at these cobble roads.
Yeah, sorry. No, yeah, it's a beautiful cobble road all the way to the top.
That
and
seems to go on forever, that.
Yeah, and it's fairly well intact as this one. Here as well, you can see probably maybe the old drain pipes were here, inset into the wall.
Yeah.
Which is maybe part of the coal chute or something. Who knows?
So that could be a coal chute. Any of our viewers know what that could be? Let us know in the comments.
From what we can see though, you can see it has been built with TLC, because look, even the brickwork, can you see it's angled?
Oops. It's really difficult. Hey, look at all these bushes and greenery. Oh, there's a wall across there. That's interesting. Shall we just go up?
Yeah, we can. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can tell it was a big place. A big place, but it does go quite far up, doesn't it?
Right.
Very big place. And it goes on this side as well. This was part of the Dyeworks. That's the other side of it. And you have to remember, this stretches across parts of West Bowling.
Yeah.
And this is the only bits that are left. Yeah, you can see this sort of close enough, can't you? This brickwork.
Yeah. It goes on, doesn't it? It just shows you how large this building was.
Now, I found a stone where we were looking earlier, and I was wondering what it was, and it seems to be a stone that's been inset into the wall like that.
Right. We don't really know what the purpose is, do we?
No, I don't know, but again, You know, maybe somebody could let us know. Oh gosh, you can tell it is really, it just comes some distance.
Right, okay, we'll just stop here, but so right up there it goes on and on. I wouldn't like to walk up there, I'm out of breath already. But that gives you an idea the size of the premises, you know.
I know. And that's just this section, you've got that section as well. Maybe this is older because of stonework. I mean, can you tell it looks a bit flatter and you know, that looks more ornate, that side. Who knows though?
It just shows you how wealthy these mill owners were around at that time.
And imagine all the Bradfordians, these hard workers, you know, from the area, or just weren't from the area, that came from outside in the area, to you know, to find work and building.
Remember, there was houses built for the workers as well. There was allotments, railway station nearby, just to accommodate, just like Sir Titus Salt.
Yeah. Look at it, there's nothing left.
Yeah.
Nothing left at all.
So there you go, folks, another piece of Bradford history recorded. Let's take one more look, because we have no idea if this will be standing here in a couple of years' time. So if you enjoyed that video, please do subscribe, like and share, and thumbs up, because we've got plenty more on the way. From now till then, peace out.